So welcome to IT online classes. So today we are going to do engineer science vector. So the topic we are going to answer 2 questions. So let's start with this question here. So the question is find the magnitude and direction in the system of forces below me. So this is a system of forces here, okay? And we are told to find the magnitude and direction. So when they tell us to find the magnitude, meaning they want a value, this is just the size of the force, okay? And direction, which is the angle. So meaning this, we are told to find the size and the what and the angle, okay? So what do you do first when you are answering such a question? So you make something like this. Okay? So you make something like this here. Okay? So this is the first thing you do. You make a table like this. There are a number of ways you can solve. You can do that question, but in this case, let's do this one because it's quick. Okay? Then you want you put to say forces here. Okay? Number 2, say angles. Number 2, say x component here. X component. Right here, we say y component. Y component here. So this is the first thing we make a table like this one. The first one we say forces, angles, x component. And we know that the x component here we are talking about what? Cos. And here the y component we are talking about what? Sine there. Okay? So here on forces here, how many forces do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So you need to put them here. So starting from this one, we say 60 newtons. You say 60, next of 90, next of 50, next of 40 there. From 40 we go to 95. From 95 we go to 75 there. Okay? Okay, so the first thing you do, but here on angles, the key part is finding the angles there. So the key part is finding the angles. So we go to the first force, which is 60, and when we are making these angles, always start from this point here, to the positive x direction. So let's say this point here is our origin here. Okay, so how many, let's talk with the 60 Newton force here. So how many degrees are we move from this same point to this same point where 60 is? So the marker is 0. So here you say 0. So the angle associated with 60 degrees with 60 newtons what? 0 degrees there. Okay? And again, you go to the next force, which is 90 newtons there. Always start from this point to the origin. So let's move from this point to where 90 is here. So how many degrees have we made from this point to this point where 90 newtons is? So I've made what? 20 degrees here. Okay? So the next force is what? The 50 newton there. The 50 newton force there. So again, always start from this point, which is the origin. Let's move from this point here to where 50 is here. So how many degrees have we moved from this point here, the origin here, to reach this 50 newtons here? So here automatically it will be 180 minus 30, because we know that from here to here is what? 180. So to find this angle from here to here, just say 180 minus this 30 here. So 180 minus 30 there is what? 150. 150 degrees there. Okay? So again we go to the next force, which is the what? The 40 newtons there. And again, always start from the origin. Let's start from this point. We go up to where this 40 newton is. So how many degrees have we moved from this origin, this point here, to reach this 40 newtons here? So we know that from here to here is what? 180 degrees. Okay? So say 180 degrees there. Okay? And again, we go to the 95 Newton force there. And always start from this point, the origin here. So let's move from this point here. Let's move from this point to where 95 Newton is. So how many degrees have we moved from this point here, the origin, to reach this 95 Newtons there? So you know that from here to here is what? 180. So meaning from this point to this point will be this 180 plus this 40 here. So 180 plus 40, which is what? 220 there. 180 plus 20. 180 plus 40, okay, 40, which is what? 220 there, okay? And again, we go to the next force, which is the what? The 975 Newton there. And again, we're going to start from the origin. So let's move from this point here to where that 75 is. Okay, we're moving like this up to where this 75 Newton is here. Okay? So how many degrees have we moved from this point here to reach this 75 Newton here? So we know that this quadrant where 75 is what? For 360. So to find this angle here from this point to this point, it will be 360 minus what? 25 degrees. 360 minus what? 25 degrees there. So what is 360 minus 25? So what is 360 minus 25? 360 minus 25, which is 335. 335 what? Degrees there. Okay? So this is just the key part of the equation when you are making those angles. So the moment you make the angles being one step away from the other. So what do you put here? So the next thing here is we go to the x component here. So on x component here, simple straightforward. Just take this force the way it is, say 60. In between 60 and 0 degrees there, you put cos. So say cos what? 0. Again, we do the same here, 90. Cos what? 20. 50. Cos 150. 40. Cos 180. 95. Cos 220. 75. Cos 335. As simple as that. So now we go to the y component here. On the y component here, we are using sine now. So in between here, we put what? Sine. So say it will be 60 sine 0. Next, 90 sine what? 20. Next, 50 sine what? 150. Next, 40 sine 180. 95 sine 220. 75 sine 335 there. Okay. Okay. So what do you do next here? You add this. You need to add this. You find the total here. So here down here you need to find the total, and here to here you need to find the what? The total here. So we need to add this 60 cos 0 plus 90 cos 20 plus 50 cos 150 plus 40 cos 180 plus 95 cos 220 plus 75 cos what? 335. We find the total here. If in here you say 60 sine 0 plus 90 sine 20 plus 50 sine 150 plus 40 sine 180 plus 95 sine 220 plus 75 sine 335, we find the total here. Okay? Okay? So now let's add them. So say 60 cos 0 plus 90 cos 20 plus 50 cos 150 plus 40 cos 180 plus 95 cos 220 95 cos 220 plus 75 cos 335, which is equal to 56.47. 56.47 newtons there. Okay? Okay? So let's try to do them again. So here you should be careful. Here you should be careful. So meaning this is the total here. You should be careful. Let's do them again. 60 cos 0 plus 9 cos 20 plus 50 cos 150 plus 40 cos 18 plus 95 cos 220 plus 75 cos 335. Okay? You get the same answer, which is 56.47. Okay? And here again we do the same. So 6 sine 0, 6 sine 0 plus 9 sine 20 plus 50 sine 150 plus 40 sine 180, 40 sine 180 plus 95 sine 220 plus 75 sine 335 again. So here is giving us negative 36.98 newtons there. Okay? So the 5 answer again. So let's try to do them again. 60 sine 0 plus 9 sine 20 plus 50 sine 150 plus 40 sine 180 plus 95 sine 220 plus 75 sine 335 there. Okay, we're still getting the same answer there. Okay, so meaning this is the what? The x value and the y value. This is the x value and the y value. So now we can go back to our questions. So now we can go back to our questions. So now we can answer our question from this. Okay, and our question here is find the magnitude and direction in the system of forces below. Find the magnitude and direction in the system of forces below. So the magnitude here, we are talking about the size, and the direction here, we are talking about the angle. So when you have to find the what? The magnitude, choose the size and the what? And the angle there. You have to find the magnitude, choose the size and the angle there. So how do we do that? So how do we do that? Small piece of paper. So how do we do that? Okay, let me see this part on the board here. Okay. So how do we do that? Okay. So find the magnitude. We know that the result of the magnitude is equal to what? The square root of x squared plus what? Y squared. So this is how you find the magnitude. And for the angle to the direction, we say theta to the angle is what? Tan inverse y over what? X there. Okay. So these are the two formulas we use there. This one is to find the magnitude, and the other one to find the what in the direction there. So these are the two angles we need here. So what is the x value? The x value is this one here, and the y value is what? That one there. So let's find the magnitude there. We say the magnitude there is equal to what? What is x? X is 56.47, and it should be squared there. Okay? It should be squared plus open negative 36.98 again squared here. So you need to open and close, you square, plus you open and close, you square there. Okay? So what's the next step there? We say this one will be equal to the square root of, so you part these one by one. Okay? So let's part this one here. Say open 56.47, then you square. So what is the answer there? This is step 1. This is 3188. 86.86 1, okay, plus, okay, do the same here. Negative 36.98 any square. So this one will be 136 67.52. Okay? 0.52. Okay? When this one will be equal to, we do this. Okay, let's add the answer there. Answer plus 31,88,861. 31,88,861. Okay, so meaning the answer here is 4556.3814 there. Okay, let's go at the answer. So the answer here, the final answer here is 67.5 Newton. So this is the what? The magnitude. 67.5 Newton there. 67.5 Newton. 67.5 Newton. This is the what? The magnitude. So the next thing here, we need to find the what? The angle. So this is how you find the magnitude. So meaning, and this question usually carries a lot of marks, 11, 15 marks, okay? So meaning we are done with the magnitude there. So the next thing is find the what? The direction, which is the angle there. So the next thing there is find the direction, which is the angle, okay? The next thing is find the direction, which is the angle there, okay? Okay, so in this case, the angle, which is the direction will be theta is equal to what? Tan inverse. What is y there? Y over what? X. Okay? So theta is equal to what? Tan inverse. What is y there? Negative 36. Okay? 0.98 over 56.47 there. Okay? Okay, so when you're calculating the angle, it's okay if you leave out this negative here. It's still okay if you leave out this negative here, and that's how it should be. You leave out this negative there, okay? But we have put that negative there, but it's okay, you still find the same answer. But the only difference is that if you leave out the negative there, you find that the angle what will be negative, okay? It will give you the direct negative angle, but this one, if you put as positive, the angle what will be positive, but still more will still go through the same procedure, okay? So meaning here the answer will be theta equals to what? Okay? So say shift tan inverse, okay? Negative 36.98, okay? Divided by 56.47. So the angle here is negative 33.22 degrees there. Okay. So meaning here the angle is negative, so we don't end here. So we need to look for quadrants where tan is negative. So meaning this is not the final answer there. We need to look for quadrants where tan is what? Negative here. So we have something like this here. So you say, oh, students take what? Chemistry here. Okay? So here on O, meaning sine, cos, and tan, they are all what? Positive. Meaning the answer that we are looking for is not here. Then here, only sine is positive, the other two, cos and tan, they are what? Negative. So meaning in this quadrant tan is negative, so meaning the first answer will be here. So in this quadrant here, tan is positive, meaning the answer is not here. And meaning here only cos is positive, so meaning the answer will be here. The first answer will be the second quadrant, and the second answer will be the what in the fourth quadrant. So meaning the first answer will be theta is equal to what? That's the quadrant 180 minus this angle here. Okay? 33.28 there. Okay? 33.28 there. Okay? So meaning what's the answer here? 18 minus 33.28. So the first answer is 146.72 degrees. Okay? The second answer will be theta equals to what? That quadrant is for 360 minus 33.28 there. So the second answer will be 360 minus 33.28 is 3.6 degrees there. So these are the two answers there. So these are the two answers there. 146.72 and 326.72 there. So these are the two answers there. These are the two answers there. And this is the magnitude. Okay, and the magnitude is 67.5 there. So this is how you solve this question here. Okay, so let's go to the next question here. Okay, here let's do question number 2 here. So question number 2 is find T1 and T2 in the system of forces below here. So find T1 and T2 in the system of forces here. So we expect this question to come in the exam. Okay, this question usually comes in the exam and carries a lot of marks, somewhere 9 marks. So we're expecting this. Okay, so find T1 and T2 in the system of forces below here. So we need to find this T2 and T1 in their system of forces below here. Okay. So what do you do first there? So the first thing we do here is find a way of dropping these angles down there. So how do you drop these angles there? Okay? So you can form a Z. This is the one mathematics way of trying to form a Z like this. Pa. So meaning this angle is equal to what? With this angle there. The first thing you do here. Even this side you do the same. Pa. So meaning this angle is equal to what? To this angle here. So we have dropped the angle there. So meaning we can draw this diagram here and say this will be, okay? And this one down here is just a normal force. You can put it like this. Let's say 8 newtons there. Okay? Here we can draw 8, 16. Okay? Okay, so this one still will be T1, and this one here will be T2. Okay, so meaning the angle there is to what? 30. Okay, and the angle here will be 20. Okay, as simple as that. So the first thing you do here, you find the way of dropping these angles, or if you want to just get this angle, you drop x-axis there, the x line there. When you drop this angle, you put it here, this other angle you put there. That's the first thing you do, and that one is just a normal force which is pointing down there, it's more like the weight is pointing down there, okay? So that's the first thing you do. And here we're using Lamis field and find T1 and T2 there, okay? So what you do next here, you find the angle opposed to 80 Newton there. So which angle or which side is opposed to 80 Newton? So that's like this 80 Newton, the opposite angle is this angle between. Is this angle here, from here to here. This is the angle opposed to this 80 Newton. So we need to find this angle. So how do we find this angle? So you know that from here to here is what? 180 degrees. So to find this angle, it will be 30 plus 20 minus 180, which is what? Which is what? Which is 130 there. Okay? This is 130 degrees there. Okay? So say this is 50 minus 180. Which is 130 degrees there. Okay? So meaning we are done here. So the next thing here, you find the angle or the side opposed to T1. So which side is opposed to T1? So the side opposed to T1 is not this side along here. It's this entire side here from this to this. This is the side opposed to T1 there. So when you are getting the side opposed to T1 there, is the whole of this side. And the side opposed to T2 is the whole of this side here. Don't just get this part there, okay? So now, what is this angle from here to here? So the angle from here to here, this entire angle, 30 plus what? This 90 here. So 30 plus 90 is what? 120 degrees there, okay? 120 degrees there, okay? And again here, the side opposite to T2 is this entire side from here, from this to here. So what is this angle from here to here? To be 20 plus what? This 90 here, which is what? 110 there, okay? Yeah, okay? So, never make a mistake of just getting this angle as 90. Just say, when you say T1 is equal to 90, no. T1, the angle opposed to T1 is this entire angle here to be 30 plus this 90 there. Okay? Okay? So now we can go to the next stage. So we now, if we choose, it's up to us to choose which one we want to find first, T1 or T2. Here is from this side, the force and the opposite angles, let's say 8 over sine what? 130 is equal to what? T2. Which angle is opposed to T2 there? Because what? 110. Sine what? 110 there. Then cross multiply. So it is T2 multiplied by sine 130 be equal to what is 8 times sine 110? 8 times sine 110, which is it? 75.2. 175 for there over sine 110 over sine 110 there. Not over sine 130. So the Bible says over sine 130 over sine 130 there. So meaning T2 here will be equal to what? Goes to 98 newtons there. It will be 98 newtons there. Okay? So meaning those were the two answers there. So I have 98 newtons and the other one is 8 newtons there. 98 newtons and 8 newtons there. Okay? So the other one is 98 newtons, and the other one there, what was T1 there?
T1 80.
So T1 there, okay? So T1 there will be 8 over sine 130 is equal to what? T1 over sine 120 there. Okay? So meaning, okay, I forgot, okay, let's see, so this is T2 to 98 newtons here. T2 is 98 newtons there, meaning T1 will be this 80 over sine 130 be equal to T1 over sine 120 there. So meaning this will be this one and this one, T1 sine 130 be equal to, what is 80 times sine 120? 80 is equal to 69.28, okay, over sine 130 there, sine 130 over sine 120. Sine 130 there. So this and this will cancel, say T2 is equal to what? Divided by sine 130. Is 9.4. So it's not 8 newtons, it's 9.5. 9.4 had missed the value on a calculator. So those are the two answers. T2 is 98 and T1 is what? 9.4 there. So this is how you solve this question. Okay. So now let's go to question number 3 here on vectors. So let's go question number 3 on vectors here. So here to find the magnitude of the resultant in the system below here. So we have 90, 80 of 60 there. So we are told to find the magnitude in this system here. How do you find the magnitude here? So you can solve this question using what? The method we call parallelogram method here. So parallelogram method here. So what do you do first here? You can try to extend this one to make a parallelogram. Okay. 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 Okay, so parallelogram there. So meaning this is just same as this side here. Okay, and this one is just same as that side there. Okay. That's the first thing you do there, you form a parallelogram there. Okay. So form a parallelogram there. And here I thought they want the magnitude for the resultant here. So the resultant that they want is this line here. This cos here. Okay. So this is the resultant they want here. So this is the resultant they want here. Okay. So this is the resultant they want here. Okay. So we can get this one, we can give it the way it is. So get it like this side. It's like this. Okay. It's like this. When you have what? 9 newtons. And here what we have here? Of what? 8 newtons here. 9 newtons, 8 newtons here. Okay. And the result that we're talking about is this one here, this one here, this line here. The result that we're talking about here. This is the result that we're talking about here. Okay? So now, we need to find this angle here. We need to find that angle there. So we know that angles, adjacent angles in a parallelogram, they are supplementary. They are supplementary. What do I mean? Meaning they add up 180. So this angle and this angle here, they should add up 180. So adjacent angles in a parallelogram, they are supplementary, meaning they add up 180. They add up 180. So meaning to find this angle here, it would be 180 minus what is 60. Because this angle and this angle here, they should add up 180 because they are supplementary. So meaning to find this angle to be 180 minus 60. What is 180 minus 60 there? What is 180 minus 60? Which is 120. Which is 120 degrees there. So we put the angle here, which is what? 120 degrees. Okay. It's 120 degrees here. Okay. So how do we solve this question? So to find this magnitude here, we can't use Pythagorean theorem because we only use Pythagorean theorem if one angle is what 90 degrees. But in this case, we don't use Pythagorean theorem, we use what we call the cosine rule there. So this one, let's say this side here is what? Let's move the example, let's say it's C. Let's say this one is A, this is what? B here. Okay? So meaning C squared, which is the side that we want to find, will be equal to what? This A squared here. A squared plus what? B squared minus 2AB then cos C, which is this angle here. Cos C, which is this angle here. So this is the cosine one here. So this is the formula that we use when you answer such questions here. So the first thing here, you make a parallelogram there, then you just get this part here. You just get this part, you put it there, and how do you find this angle here? You know that the angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. The adjacent angles in a parallelogram, they are supplementary. So meaning this angle and this angle here, they add up what? 180. So find that angle, 180 minus 60 there, okay? So here, C squared is equal to what? C squared equals to what is A, which is 80. 8 squared there. Plus what is B here? This is what? 9 squared there. Minus 2. What is A? 8. And what is B? 90. And what is cos C there? Which is what? 120 there. Okay. Okay. So now we can use the calculator there. What is 8 squared there? Okay. So we say C squared there, because what is 8 squared? 6,400 plus what is 9 squared? 8,100 minus this 2 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 9 is 14,400 cos what? 120 there. Okay? Then from here, I can add this to here. So this one will be c squared is equal to what? 6,400 plus 8,100. Okay. This one will give us 14,500. Okay. Minus what is 14,400? 14,400 cos 1 point CZ. Minus 14,400 cos 120 there. So the answer here is positive 7,400 there. So meaning we can add those. So the c squared here is equal to what? Answer plus. Is 21,700 here. Okay. 21,700 here. Okay. So let me take this one here. Let me bring it here. So let me bring it here. So here we what? So c squared here is equal to what? 21,700 here. So to remain with c, which is the magnitude there, the square both sides should be c equals what? The square root of what? 1,700 there. 1,700 there. 1,700 there. Okay. 1,000. So c is equal to what? So c here is equal to the square root of c is what? 147.31 newtons there, which is the what? The result. So this is the answer we wanted there. Okay? So this is the answer we wanted here. This is the answer we wanted here. Okay. So we are done with this question here. So this is the answer here. Thank you.